Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the menu button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. So scroll through the menu, select the system option, and once it's selected, press the GPS button. Now scroll down, select the time option and press the GPS button. Here scroll down, find the option called set time, and if it's set to auto, press the GPS button, select manual and press the GPS. And once the set time is changed to manual, scroll down, select the time, press the GPS, and here you can adjust the time by using the up and down buttons to set the hour, then set the minutes, and then set the PM or AM. And once you press the GPS, it will apply the settings. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.